Welcome to my channel. I am heading to the best dive shop here in Barbados, Barbados Blue Water Sports, for my first dive since I've come back here to Barbados. Today I'm going to be doing some coral reef diving, and I plan to engage with some fellow divers and see if maybe they will let me film their dive for free and show you on the channel. So I'm gonna head over to the bus stop and catch the bus or the van down to the dive shop, and see you there. So we're making our way over to the dive shop right now, and I want to take this time to ask for your feedback. I want to make sure this content is educational, useful, or at least entertaining for you. So let me know what you want to see more of, or even let me know what you'd like to see less of. Just drop a note in the comments, let me know, and I do read all of them to plan the next video. Thanks. Okay, got off the bus. Now I am walking down to the shop. I'm a little bit late. I'm usually supposed to be here by 9 o'clock. It's now 9:11. So I'm walking fast. It looks like I did not completely miss the boat. Looks like it's out there, right there. Yep. That's good news. See if I can, I'm still walking fast because I need to see if I can get here in enough time to ask some fellow divers if I can record their dives. So we shall see. Looks like we're here at the dive site and I found a victim. His name is John. So John, why is it that you dive?
Yeah, so I dive because the majority of the earth is covered by water, so if I don't dive, I'm missing out on a lot. So there's a lot to see down there.
Alright, cool. And what are you hoping to see today?
So today I'm hoping that we see some stingrays, maybe some sharks, and then obviously lots of fish and probably maybe lobsters, and we'll see what else.
Okay, cool. Alright, see you on the dive.
Alright, thanks.
Okay, so we are in our surface interval. We just finished our first dive of the morning. We have another morning dive to go, and I found my next set of victims. We have Mike, Olivia.
How you doing?
And so, Mike and Olivia, why is it that you dive?
I dive because it's so effortless to be underwater and to see a completely different world that is so stunning and needs protecting. So I just love to be immersed into it, and it's peaceful, it's easy, and just to see all them little fishies, I love them so much.
Nice.
I love just being in the water. Just all the noise just kind of drowns out, and you're just there, and it's a different kind of universe. And pretty cool.
Excellent.
Hopefully see some sharks or something cool, you know.
Okay, cool.
I haven't seen a shark in a while.
I know,
I'd
it's been a
love
minute.
to see a shark.
I keep looking.
I actually,
looking.
yeah, we found, I think one of my last dives here, we found a nurse shark.
I'd
Yeah.
love to see a little nurse shark. Yeah,
Okay,
For
so
sure.
is that what you're hoping to see on this dive?
for sure.
I'm gonna keep looking for it.
Okay, cool. Well, it has been an excellent diving day. There will be many more coming. some exciting developments are coming up, and I will share those with you in future videos. Thank you for watching. Thank you everyone who volunteered to let me film their dives, and see you in the next one.